A GFCI receptacle protects you from electrical shock, especially around water. Testing it is fast, simple, and keeps your home safe. What a GFCI receptacle does. A GFCI receptacle instantly shuts off power if it detects a shock risk. They are required in bathrooms, kitchens, garages, laundry rooms, and outdoors. Locate your GFCI receptacle. Look for receptacles with test and reset buttons. Some newer ones have indicator lights. Press the test button. Press test once. Power should shut off immediately. Lights, appliances, or tools plugged in should go dead. If nothing turns off, the GFCI is not functioning properly. Press reset to restore power. Press the reset button. Power should return. If the receptacle will not reset, do not keep pressing it. A wiring or moisture issue exists. Use a GFCI tester for extra safety. Plug in a GFCI tester, low cost and easy to use. Press the testers button. If the receptacle trips, the internal safety mechanism is working. If it does not trip, the receptacle needs replacement. When to replace a GFCI receptacle? Replace immediately if test does nothing, reset does nothing. The receptacle sparks or smells burnt. Buttons feel loose or sticky. The receptacle is warm or buzzing. GFCI testing frequency. Test every month, especially in wet areas. Bathrooms, laundry rooms, kitchens, garages, outdoor locations. Small effort equals big safety benefit. A GFCI receptacle can save lives. Testing it takes less than a minute and prevents shock and fire. Like and subscribe for more electrical and home safety tips.